Yeah, even the second season was Ouais je suis pas bizarre, je suis une edition limitée shirt too cool with them. All seemingly just adjusting back to normal life like right away. And everyone forgetting about the crazy shot that happened and seemingly being shocked. They are back in another crazy situation. I think when season 1 came out, the creators said they had 4 or 5 seasons worth of story with the characters. As it stands, a series like Je suis pas bizarre, je suis une edition limitée shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, or they could jump a year to 1986 summer and touch on the Je suis pas bizarre, je suis une edition limitée shirt invented in 1986 lol. I'll actually be kind of interesting what tone and style they will go for in season 4. At some point, they'll run out of 80s stuff to riff on, and they also can't just keep doing the same stuff. But on the other hand, as we saw with that season 2 episodes, going in a completely different direction is not something the audience is interested in. Other product, and tank top. Perfect for music lovers and summer vibes. Elevate your style with the official Jack Mannequin ladies tee, perfect for music lovers. Stay cozy with the official Jack Mannequin vending machine hoodie, your perfect music inspired style. Rock the official Jack Mannequin vending machine t-shirt, a must-have for fans. Beyond its official Jack Mannequin vending machine t-shirt appeal, the boasts exceptional comfort and quality thanks to its premium material. Made from 100% cotton, this shirt offers breathability and softness that make it perfect for everyday wear. The natural fiber allows your skin to breathe, keeping you cool during warm days and comfortable during cooler evenings. The fabric is also durable, standing up to regular wear and washing without losing its shape or feel. What makes this t-shirt even more special is that it is manufactured in the United States, ensuring high production standards and supporting local craftsmanship. The combination of superior material and local manufacturing guarantees a product that not only looks great but feels great too. This is a piece that will quickly become a staple in any fan's wardrobe, combining fashion, function, and fandom into one. Other product.